So hello guys, welcome back to our video. I'll just check if it is recording, and yes it is. So I promised you guys how I'll teach you how to use for each loop as well. So if I'm the government and I just want to print all the numbers, for that I'll use this. If you think there is like no specific use for each, wait out until we start again object oriented, which will make things easier and you'll have a lot more concepts, and then you'll be like, yeah, in this it is very useful. So I'll just go string name. I'm declaring a variable here called name, and I'll say in names. So what this will do is it will say for each name in names. So it will go through each name here, and I'll just go console.writeLine and I'll print the name. So what this should do is it should print out every single name, and you can see if we have not defined any length or any other variable of counter or something. It just goes like for each name you have in the array, just print them out. So when we'll have some objects and some classes, it will be super cool to use for each. The people who know about this will understand what I'm talking about. If you don't worry, we are gonna start it very soon and it is gonna be super awesome to use. So if I just run this now, it will print all the names, as you can see, and then it will run our code. And if you want to use some other thing, I'll just go int. If I wanted to use for money, I'll just go money. But there is one problem. We had named money and money, so we can go cash maybe, and I'll just go cash. So one thing to mind when you use this for each, I'm so sorry, and cash, yeah. So when you use for each, after the in, any variable you're giving here, it should be something which has many instances inside it, basically many things inside it, like an array or a list. We are gonna learn lists after this, I guess, or sometime soon. But yeah, so this should be the code for if you want to print the money. Make sure that your money is an array or something. If I start my code here and it starts running, it should be running. Why not running? Let's run it again. Yeah, so 25, 110, 310 and 7,000. So this is it for each, to be honest. Very short video, I know, but thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, give it a like if you liked it. Next time I think I'll start with lists which are dynamic in nature. I'll explain it to you in the next video. Bye bye.